and welcome to a new video. This is going to be a very random vlog. This is the weekend that has started and today is Saturday. I'm about to step outside my house to meet somebody and also to do something very important, which you will now see. Alright, so I'm back home after getting vaccinated, and you guys saw how the entire procedure looked like. Whatever I could capture, I did, and I really liked the way everything worked out. It was very systematic. There was not much queue. We were all seated well. There was social distancing practice, and it was done pretty quick. That's important because I had carried baby with me, and I was a little worried of how I'm going to manage. But no, it all went well, so I'm happy with that. While after taking vaccination, I just thought I will record what I felt so that you guys can get some idea. I know a lot of you must have been vaccinated, almost done with 2 doses. This is my first vaccination because I took it quite late. I was in the pregnancy phase and then the post delivery phase, so I wanted to avoid any sort of medical complications. And now that my baby is 2 months old, I asked my doctor and I got to know that it is safe to get vaccinated, even though I'm breastfeeding, but that's still okay. So yes, I did my vaccination today, and after getting vaccinated, we were asked to sit in a certain place for around 20 minutes. That's the observatory area, just so that we can get ourselves together. For those who might feel some sort of dizziness, a lot of people around me didn't really feel any sort of dizziness, and I felt I'll also be fine. But no, after the vaccination, I did feel a little dizzy, and I started to get worried. But they had these boxes kept where there was a bottle of packaged drinking water, a small bottle, then there was a packet of peanuts, and there was also a packet of biscuits. So they very kindly gave me one box, and I had my friend who had come with me as well. In fact, she was due for her second vaccination, she and her parents. So I got her to book mine as well with her, so that I have her with me, we can meet each other, and at the same time I have somebody to take care of the baby. So while I was getting vaccinated, she took the baby, and as I was saying, yes, I did get a bit dizzy after getting vaccinated, but after having a little water, I started to feel a little okay. And I think, yeah, that's it. So I've come home, she's gone home to her place, and we spoke a lot. I met her parents and it was good. I didn't really get to record much there, but we had a good time that we met. Also, we've got this kit from the hospital, this kit, and in this there was an N95 mask. So this is the mask. Then there is this face shield as well that they have provided us with, and sanitizer. So this is how my time has been when it comes to getting vaccination, the first dose, and I'm glad I took it. Though I was a little late, but it's done. I'm looking forward to getting the second dose and being fully vaccinated. But for now, I think I should take a little rest. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. Hello everyone, it's the next day. Good morning.
Good morning.
So how do I feel after getting the dose? I got my first vaccination dose yesterday, and when I got the dose, I was feeling a bit dizzy. But apart from that, everything was okay. I was able to do my normal chores. I did rest up a bit after getting the dose, so I think that kind of helped. But apart from that, not much of an issue. Today in the morning when I woke up, my left arm was hurting me a lot, and that's where I got the shot. So I was expecting this, but the pain is quite a lot though, and since I'm holding baby, I'm a little worried whether it's going to cause me any more issues, or that's how it's going to be. So yeah, that's the little worry right now that I have. But apart from all of that, everything seems to be fine. As you can see me, I seem to be okay. We all are doing fine, so that's great. Now we are stepping out to do something So I'm going out to do something that I've been wanting to do since a very long time, that is to play badminton. So yes, our local community is arranged for a badminton tournament, and I didn't want to lose the chance to go and play badminton. So I'm stepping out, me, Sophie, Fiona, we all are going, and we are going to play. I'm not sure that I'm going to win, lose, it doesn't matter, to be honest. I just want to play the game. It's been a long time that I have played badminton. I remember the last time when there was such a tournament. I'd met with an accident the previous day. I'd hurt my knee. My knee was bloated, but I still went to play. So, and this time also there seems to be some sort of a medical issue with my hand, but I still want to go to play. So call me crazy or whatever, but I love playing badminton and I'm going out now. So I don't know if I'm going to win, lose, doesn't matter. I didn't really practice a lot, so yeah, I don't expect to win, but I just want to go and have fun. So I'm going to go and do that, and you guys will see. I had a super awesome time playing this game. I didn't really get a chance to practice much. I didn't win as well at the end, but I really enjoyed myself. I had so much fun, and more important, being a mom of two, I have so many priorities when it comes to taking care of my children, my home, my family. But taking this little time out for myself gave me that inner joy, inner peace, and I just can't describe how I felt, but I felt so good that I was able to do something for myself. So I made it a point that I go, I play, and I did it, and I'm so happy that I did it. Hi everyone, I'm back home, and I first thing what I did was enter the kitchen because I had to prepare lunch very quickly. So today I'm making prawn fry with dal rice, plain dal rice but prawn fry. So I thought I'll share the recipe in case some of you might be interested in knowing how prawn fry recipe is. So this is the prawns that I have marinated. So I'll very quickly tell you all what all I have put in this marination. So very simple ingredients, you will all have it at home. Little ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, which is the Kashmiri red chili powder, haldi powder, dhania powder, and garam masala. So after putting all those powders, put a little salt, black pepper if you want to, cut green chilies, and curry leaves. So you mix it all, and for binding we also add rice flour. So we are going to shallow fry the prawns. As you can see, I have used very little oil. I've added the prawns, and around 3 to 4 minutes each side. We then turn it. This is how it looks on the other side. And that's it. Prawns don't take a long time to get cooked, and here is the final result. This is the fried prawns. So since this was a festival weekend, I thought I'll share with you all a few Ganesh idols that were set up in my local area. So Ganesh Utsav or Ganesh Chaturthi is a festival that's widely celebrated in the state I live in. So I live in the state of Maharashtra, and the Hindu community celebrate this festival with a lot of love. Family gets together, and for 10 days the celebrations are on. And since this was a festive vibe all around, I thought of adding a little bit of festivity to my video too.